Well, the 4th of July is just a few days away, and you might be thinking about buying fireworks. It's something New Yorkers couldn't do before a new law was passed just last year. And since it's unfamiliar, there is some confusion about what's legal. Most fireworks are still illegal in New York, but back in 2018, lawmakers left it up to counties and cities to allow anyone over the age of 18 to buy sparkling devices. These are the fireworks that either stay on the ground or you can hold in your hands. They crackle and pop, but they don't make the loud boom noise you'll hear during a professional show. Still, first responders say they are dangerous.
I would be very careful about proximity to it because it does shoot off sparks, so it can burn you. It's not going to give you a huge burn, but it can be painful. Be careful with your clothing. If you're wearing really loose clothing or flammable clothing, that can be an issue.
Well, you can buy them at temporary tents set up in parking lots throughout Onondaga County. They are being sold until July 5th. Coming up at 11, Julia LeBlanc takes us to one of those tents with a look at what you can safely buy for the 4th of July.